Hold on to your hats, folks. The stock market just had its biggest single day surge in years. I'm Trader Razor from Conquer Wall Street, and this is your market in a minute. Boom! The NASDAQ skyrocketed 12%. The S&P 500 jumped 9.3%, and the Dow Jones soared nearly 3,000 points. What sparked this epic rally? President Trump's game-changing announcement, a 90-day tariff suspension for most countries, slashing rates to just 10%. Tech giants led the charge, with Nvidia, Apple, and Tesla all seeing double-digit gains. Every single S&P 500 sector closed higher, with tech leading the pack at a whopping 14.2% increase. But here's the deal. Despite this massive upswing, major indexes are still down for the year. The NASDAQ still 11.3% below where it started in January. So what does this mean for you? Opportunities are everywhere, but so are risks. At Conquer Wall Street, we've got your back with our AI optimized trading signals.